In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a basic STEM project using our Origami Circuit Kit. The kit does come with a template to use, but we're going to use a bigger template for the video today, the Chompers build. When you print a template, we recommend you use 30 to 50 pound cardstock, but nothing too heavy. The Chompers build comes with directions on the same page, and you can color it once it is printed like I did. For this particular project, you will need a small vibrating motor, conductive nylon tape, and a CR2032 3-volt battery from the kit. You will also need some scissors and glue or tape. First, cut away the directions and cut out your design along the solid edges, including the tongue. Then fold along all the dotted lines, including the middle of the mouth. Next, you can begin to glue or tape the folded parts together to create the mouth, except for the bottom, and I'll explain why shortly. The bottom inside of the mouth is where you're going to assemble the simple circuit using the battery, motor, and conductive tape. Peel the back of the motor to stick it along the back side of the teeth with the wires facing down. Take the blue negative wire and tape it to the middle of the mouth on the bottom. Then create a tape loop and attach the negative side of the battery to the top of the blue wire. You should see the positive side of the battery facing up. Attach the rest of the flaps to create the bottom of the mouth. Then the last thing you're going to want to do is create a switch with the remaining wire and conductive tape. Create about 1.5 inch strip of tape. Fold over a portion of the tape so it creates a handle, and tape the red wire to the top of the battery. Your chompers should now begin to work. You can simply pull up or remove the wire to stop the connection. If you do not like the tape sticking out of the back, you can always redesign the switch somewhere else. Explore different possibilities, including moving the motor around to see which area works the best. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more educational videos from Nasco Education.